May 11th, 2023 was an incredible day in central Oklahoma. It was incredible because we were able to document several big tornadoes, as well as get close to quite a few. What you're seeing on our left is actually the birth of the first of these tornado families. And in fact, it ended up dropping a tornado shortly after we drove right by. Watch in real time as the storm wraps up and tries to plant a tornado right in front of us. This was the first of many beautiful photogenic tornadoes that day. This is where things got a little bit dicey. The tornado was right on us. We had to keep going, and the tornado would actually pass right in front of us. At this point, the tornado was about 1/4 of a mile away, but watch it as it dances in the field in front of us. Now at this point, I had thought the tornado had lifted, so I was looking off to the right, and I almost missed the vortex breakdown and death of this first tornado. Now I've sped this clip up just a little bit, as you can see with the tower in the background, but look at the churning in the atmosphere. This storm was ready to produce another tornado, and produce a tornado it did. The storm went on to produce a beautiful elephant trunk tornado and tried to set down a cone as well. At one point, we were expecting twins. Storm chasing at night is one of the most dangerous activities you can do. There's no good visual references except for lightning. In fact, we missed this powerful wedge tornado at night and only found it when reviewing footage later. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Do me a favor, if you haven't liked the video, go down and like the video and give us a follow on social media at SuckZoneBro and at LandonWX10, and follow us on more incredible storm chasing journeys. Until next time, guys, make good choices, and I'll see you out under the mezzo.